This video will show you how you can set your customer-facing display in the new RepairDesk. To set up the customer-facing display, we're first going to have to go into our store settings. From here, we'll go into the Widgets tab, select Customer-Facing Display, and click on the Configuration tab. Here we can configure our settings as required. When we're all done, we'll go to the Introduction tab and click on Setup New CFD. Once we click on it, we'll see a link appear on the right hand side. Let's copy this link and open it in a new tab. Now we're going to copy the verification code along with it. And we'll go back to our new tab and enter the 6-digit code. And click on Continue Setup. Once our code's been verified, we can go back to RepairDesk, and over here we'll see our browser that's been authenticated. Select the browser, then click on Continue. We can make a couple of changes to the next page, and when we're done, we can click on Save. Now let's go back to our new tab, and click on Proceed. Here we'll have a couple of options that we can choose from, and when we're done, click on Continue. Our customer-facing display is now ready. And click on Existing Customer, click on Skip, and enter their first and last name, along with an email address. Click on Submit, then head over back to RepairDesk. Now if we open the POS and click on Create Ticket and search for our customer that we just entered, we'll see that they've been automatically added to our system. Select the customer name and start processing them from the POS as normal. Once we've added an item to the cart, we can check our customer-facing display. And over here, we'll see everything updated in real time. Let's create a ticket. And when we check the customer-facing display, we'll see that they can now read our terms and conditions and sign off on the repair. Collect their signature and click on Agree and Continue. Heading back over to the POS, we can see that the ticket was created successfully. And that's how you can process a customer with the customer-facing display.